How to use LinkedIn to find a job. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to effectively use LinkedIn to search for jobs, connect with recruiters, and apply for opportunities using iOS, Android, or a computer. I'm doing it on iOS, but if you have Android or a computer, you can follow similar steps. So to do that, first open your LinkedIn application and you will be redirected to your home. And what you're going to do is click on the search bar here at the top. And once you do so, you're going to search for any job. For example, I'm going to write down something like software development. I'm going to type that down and then click on search. So once you click on search, you'll be able to see numerous filters at the top. One is jobs, posts, people, services, courses, groups, product, companies, schools, and events. So mostly I prefer clicking on posts instead of jobs. So just click on posts and you'll be able to see all the relevant posts regarding software development. So what you're going to do is you can either click on sort by, such as you can sort by either your top match or the latest one. I suggest you to choose the latest ones because that will filter the latest posts on LinkedIn right now. And some of the jobs posted or some of the posts over there are very old, but they might be ranked up because of their availability or because of their visibility. But sometimes those jobs and posts are not really in market right now. So that's why I suggest clicking on latest so that you'll be able to see all of the latest jobs right now. So just click on show results, and then you can also click by date posted, and I suggest you to click on past 24 hours, or to the max you can click on past week, because that will filter all of the latest jobs that are in market right now. So just click on past 24 hours and click done. So right now you'll be able to see all of the suitable jobs for you on LinkedIn, and you can give it a look, and you can also change posts to jobs or even companies, products, groups, just according to your own choice. And here you can also specify what location you want the job in, whether you want it remote, whether you want it on-site, or you want it hybrid. So that depends on you. So that was basically a mere explanation how you can use LinkedIn to find a job. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.